Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to paint iris in IbisPaint X. Let's get started. Draw a circle and color it with whatever color you want. Duplicate the layer and color it black with the help of clipping mask. Make it smaller in size. Blur it fully. With the help of Airbrush, triangle, will give the details of black shade. Now I'll use Iris Detail Brush for more details. I'll be adding highlights with the help of custom brush. Keep the blend mode at screen. Add new layer with the blend mode of add. Now I'll use custom brush that is face highlight to add shine in the iris. Set the opacity to 45%. Add some glitter. Add new layer, pick Airbrush, Trapezoid 20%, set the opacity at 64% and add some shadow. Here your iris is ready. Hope this video helped you.